What is up, YouTube? My name is Jamieson Hill. I am the founder of Cream on Top, and we are here today going to be doing a modification to this standard mic box, which we have modified with the Cream on Top logo to accommodate the RØDE Wireless Go. Now, why are we doing this? Because the RØDE Wireless Go handheld reporter microphone is currently on back order. So we need to make something makeshift so that we could do interviews with artists when we go out to Los Angeles. I've already removed the foam insert from the mic flag, and I put down some plastic because this might get a little messy. What we are going to do is we are going to take a file and we are going to basically create a notch here on the inside of the mic flag in order for the Wireless Go, which is just a few inches or a few millimeters not wide enough to be accommodated with this blue mic flag into the microphone like such. So let's get started. I'm not going to really measure or anything, but normally you might want to measure. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start going at it like so. All right, that's a start. As you can see, we're starting to get a little bit of shape. Just gonna try to size it up there. And it looks like we need to go a little wider. So let's make it wider. It needs to be a little bit thicker. Doesn't quite fit in yet. But from what I can tell, the width looks good, so we just need to make it wider. Let's see. Still doesn't go in, need more wide. And we are just about there, a little more. I think we should have it now. There we go. It fits in. Just scratch the plastic. We're gonna have to go a little bit wider than the actual opening because this foam screen also has to fit in over the RØDE mic. So let's make it a little bit wider. Oh, a tool broke. Uh-oh. Okay, we'll fix that part later. Just gonna continue by hand. This is actually easier. I feel like I have more control over the instrument. If you can see the side of it, the side of this tool has sort of notches, so you can kind of smooth out using the notches, whereas this is like more teeth. The notches is where you can kind of take the burrs off of the plastic. You don't want to leave anything too sharp in there. All right. Let's try it out. Well, guys, there you have it. Now all you have to do is attach any sort of pole to the bottom of this, and you have a wonderful mic flag. You can use this mic in any kind of a situation. You can place it right here, and it would pick up all of your anything that would happen. You could use it as a tabletop podcast microphone now. There's so many uses for a kind of mic flag like this that doesn't need a handle per se. But anyways, guys, that's it for today. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you hated it, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to boss me around, then you should leave a comment below. And if you want to see what I do while nobody's looking, follow me on Instagram. Take care, guys.